Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm actually going to be trying out the Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 serum. I'm going to try this for a week and then I'm basically just going to tell you what happened and if it did anything, if it changed my skin, if it's amazing, life-changing, and if you should buy it basically, or if it's like okay, or if it sucks. So yeah. I was on Sephora and I was actually gonna buy the other serum, the niacinamide one. I love that serum. But then I saw that this one actually has really good reviews also, and it's like Allure Beauty Award, whatever. So I was like, maybe I should try this out. So I figured we'd do like a little review to see if it's really worth it. And guys, we're trying to hit 11,000 subscribers on this channel. So if you are new, make sure that you subscribe. Okay, I wanna hop into the video, but before I do, don't forget to hit the like button. And yeah, let's get started. And I haven't tried it yet. Today's just like the intro video clip, you know? So I will try it over the next week, and then next week I will come back and let you guys know how it went. But of course, I'll show you my skin before and then the changes, if there are any, throughout the week. And then next week we'll do like an after comparison and like review of how everything was. For skincare, I've been using the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. I've always heard like really good things about this, but I just finally started using it recently and I have to say I really like it. At first the texture is like a little bit thicker than the niacinamide one, so I was a little bit like unsure if I would like it, but it's very hydrating and moisturizing and not sticky, and yeah, it just soaks in really well even though it is like a thicker consistency, and I feel like it keeps my skin like really hydrated throughout the night, especially now in like the cold weather. I'm going to talk about Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid plus B5 serum, and I have clips of like the different days and the before and after here, so I'm going to play them and like do a little review and like comparison with you guys. But first I want to talk about some of the benefits that this serum claims to have. So the number one benefit is hydration. Hyaluronic acid is known for keeping the moisture locked in and keeping your skin super hydrated. But because of that, it also like fortifies your skin's natural barriers by locking in the moisture, which can over time like protect your skin and like replenish your skin's natural barrier. And because of that, it can also help with things like pigmentation and texture and fine lines over time. Now when I go on the website, I think it was Ulta's website, these are some of the benefits that this serum claims to have, which is replenishes lost moisture, maintains healthy looking skin, and provides enhanced barrier support. I definitely feel like it is very moisturizing. I definitely feel like it makes your skin look really nice and glowy and healthy. As for the barrier support, I'm not sure because that's over time, but I will say I have sensitive skin and I feel like this serum does not irritate it at all, and it just makes it feel really nice and comfortable, and it does make me feel like I have softer skin. So right now I'm going to play the clips. Basically, this is day one. I think my skin looked fine. I had a little bit of like of unevenness, a little bit of pigmentation, like hyperpigmentation, and I also have like a little pimple. And then this is day two. So comparing day one to day two, I feel like I noticed that my skin was more even, and I also noticed that my skin looks a little bit brighter. And then this is day two compared to day three. Again, I feel like day three, my skin just looks brighter and like more even. My skin tone looks more even. And then this is day 3 versus day 4. I just worked out on day 4, so I'm a little bit pink. But I feel like for the most part, it looks very, very similar, minus the fact that I look kind of pink. And then this is day 5. I feel like my skin looked really glowy and like just like really even. Okay, so here is the comparison of day 4 and day 5. I feel like day 5, my skin is like really glowy and my skin tone is more even, and like the texture is also like smoother. I just feel like my skin looks more smooth on day 5. And when I compare the before and after, like day 1 to day 5, I feel like my skin definitely looks a lot better. It just looks brighter and smoother. I feel like my complexion looks a lot nicer. So overall, I do really like this serum and I do feel like it's worth it, especially if you just want something that's really basic, simple, and is going to keep your skin hydrated and just help you if you have sensitive skin and help replenish your natural skin barrier, because I feel like that's actually super important for preventing like aging and everything like that. And I like the viscous like consistency of it. It's a little bit thicker than the niacinamide one, which I was worried about, but I actually ended up really liking it. And I feel like it does everything that it claims to, minus the skin barrier thing because I'm not 100% sure. But overall, I would say that it is worth it. I think it was only like $10, so I definitely feel like it's worth the money. I will say I'm running through it pretty quickly. Maybe I'm using too much, but it's only been a week and I think I'm already like halfway through the bottle. But for the price point, I definitely think it's worth it, and I trust The Ordinary as a brand. I will say that if you can, try to get it from Sephora if you can get like free shipping, or if you're like already placing another order, because you can also get it from Amazon, and I do sometimes get it from Amazon, but I prefer getting it from Sephora because I feel like you're guaranteed that the product isn't going to be like expired or fake or anything like that. So I really like that it's on Sephora, because I already pay for like, I pay the $15 on Sephora for like free 2-day shipping at all times. So it's just really nice and easy for me to just get it from Sephora, because then I know that it's gonna be good and I have that like peace of mind that it's authentic and that it's not expired or anything like that. So yeah, overall I would recommend this product. I really liked it. I think next I'm gonna try the buffet serum, so yeah, stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's it for today's little video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you next time. Bye!